Good morning, grade 8. I hope that you're doing well. We have finished algebra, so for this week we are going to talk about geometry. Our lesson today is talking about angles, relationship, and parallel lines. Your objectives today, you will use the relationship between the angles to name interior and exterior angles for each of them. Success criteria, the way that how can you solve the question, read it very well please. Your vocabulary today, or your vocabulary for this week: alternate angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, transversal, interior angles, exterior angles. And I will let you know each one of these words. Our required material for this week, as calculator is not allowed as usual, your textbook, your notebook, your geometric tools. First of all, I prepared this slide for all of you guys to remember what is the relationship between the lines. Most of you remember the perpendicular lines. Those two lines are perpendicular, which is forming four right angles. And the parallel lines, those two lines are parallel, which is never intersect. The two lines in the plane that never intersect are called the parallel lines. And what is the transversal? The transversal is a line intersect two or more other lines. The line intersect two or more other lines is a transversal. The transversal, when you have two or more parallel lines and you have a line intersect them, the black line is called the transversal. Okay, as you can see here, those are transversals. Okay, when the transversal intersect two parallel lines, we have 8 angles. 4 angles are exterior angles outside of parallelism, outside the parallel lines. 4 angles are outside, and 4 angles are inside the parallel lines. Interior. So we have interior angles and we have exterior angles. Please read this part very well and understand from me where the interior angles are inside the parallel lines, exterior angles are outside the parallel lines, and we have transversal, which is the line intersect and that intersect two or more parallel lines. Before talking and getting for the IDO questions, I have introduction. I have to explain it to all of you. First of all, when the two parallel lines are cut and intersect by a transversal, 8 angles are formed as usual, as we know. Special relationship are exist among pairs of angles. You will see corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles. Let me explain again. When you have parallel lines and the transversal, parallel lines and the transversal is given in green here. Okay, two parallel lines and the transversal. We have exterior angles and we have interior angles, and we have 3 types of angles are formed here. 1, 2, 3. Very important to understand what is the corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. What is the corresponding angles? The corresponding angles, one of the angles are interior and the other one exterior. So the properties of corresponding angles, is one of them interior, the other one exterior. That's it, mister? No, we have another also property. What is the other property? Both of them in the same position and the same side. In the same side, not in different side. What does mean in the same side? It means both of them right of the transversal or the left of the transversal. That means here also I have interior and exterior in the same side. Same side. One of them interior and the other one is exterior. Those are corresponding angles. Please remember the corresponding angles and also are forming a letter F. As you can see now, forming a letter F. Letter F. One of them is inside the letter and the other one is outside of it. This is the corresponding angles. Okay. What is the type number 2? When the two parallel lines are parallel together and the transversal cut them, we have alternate angles. And the alternate angles are forming a letter Z. As you can see now in front of you. Alternate angle not in the same side. In different sides. One of them is interior left and the other one is interior right. Look, different sides. So first optional here, different side, not in the same side. Different side, and also they are equal in measure. Remember, corresponding are equal. Alternate angles are also equal. Okay, here we have in type number 2, we have alternate exterior angles and also we have alternate interior angles. Here's alternate exterior angles. The green angle with the green angle. This one and that one. The obtuse angle and this one also the obtuse angle. Also making a letter Z, but is outer sides, exterior. So I'm calling it alternate exterior angle. The green angles, alternate exterior angle. And the red one, the red angle here is alternate interior angles. They are equal in measure. If this one is 40 degree, so this one is also 40 degree. If this one is 140 degree, so the exterior angle there is 140 degree. I hope that to understand from me alternate angles and the corresponding angles. Alternate making letter Z, corresponding angles making letter F shape. Interior alternate angles or exterior alternate angles. Okay. Number 3, we have interior angles only. Interior angles. And those angles are making a letter or look for a U shape. U shape. Are interior. Both of them are in. And the interior angles are add up to 180 supplementary. Add up to 180 supplementary angles. I hope that to understand this part very well, and let's start our example. First of all, we have here an example 1. Okay. In example number 1, it says that classify the relationship between angle 1 and angle 7 in the figure as alternate angles, alternate exterior or alternate interior. So the first one is alternate interior, here is alternate exterior or corresponding. So we have to say alternate interior, alternate exterior or corresponding. Let me see where is angle 1 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 7 here. Angle 1, let me highlight it. This is angle 1. Okay. And where is angle 7? This is angle 7. I can see that angle 7 and 1 are exterior angles outside. This is exterior. And this is also exterior. are outside, so I will not use interior alternate. And also they are in different sides and different positions. It's not in the same position, are in different position. Okay, so, and also making a letter Z. Look, exterior Z and exterior. So these two angles are exterior angles, or same angles, that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. Opposite, not same. Opposite sides of the transversal. So they are alternate exterior angles. I hope that to understand from me. Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles. Let's see example number 2. In example number 2 here, it says, in the figure, the two lines shown are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Okay. And the intersected by a transversal here. The green one is a transversal. Okay. Classify the relation between angle 2 and angle 4. What is the relation between angle 2 and angle 4? Exterior, alternate exterior, alternate interior, or corresponding? Let me see. First of all, where is angle 2? Highlight it, please. Angle 2 here. This is angle 2. Angle 4 here. What do you see here? In angle 2 and angle 4. First of all, they are forming a letter F, mister. I will do it in black. They are forming a letter F. And we said before that letter F is for corresponding angles. Also, mister, I have another property here. What? I have one of the angles interior and the other one exterior. And we said this before, if the one of them is interior and the other one is exterior, and those two angles in the same position or same side, so those two angles are corresponding angles. Thank you for watching my video. I would like to share with you that this week we have research projects, as we finished our unit test, and also we have finished our video presentations project. This is our last project. We have it for this term, research project. I would like for all of you please to do a research how to use a system of equations in real life applications of your choice, and also I will explain it to you in WhatsApp group. Please read all of these points to clarify any doubt, and also after finishing reading all of this, if you have any questions, please let me know. Last slide, did you master all the success criteria? Everything is fine. If is it yes, so congratulations. If is it not, please try to watch the video again.